Vlog. Hello, how are you doing? Didn't plan on film today, but I came in the gym. Music's off. Give me that crown. Let's go. And also, empty. So I gotta take advantage of this opportunity and get some content for y'all because I love you so much. So we're hitting back and by today. We're gonna start with back, lat, pull down, the usual. Anywho, let's get into that. Set 1. Lock me in. Well, really it's a warm up, but like I might end up calling it a set maybe, who knows. We'll just feel it out. We're calling that a set. Blow. This is our last set. We're just gonna go till failure, but that should probably only be like 8 to be honest anyways. So watch me lock in or something like that, I don't know. I was dancing. Vloggeroony, skadookie, badookie. That pullovers. Because you have to get wing. You have to get wing to fly away like bird. Flow. We got rows. Alright, vlog. We're gonna curl dumbbells. That has some breathing. All right, this is me flexing like a loser, like a meathead loser, mid-workout. Like, okay, buddy, we get it. You're strong. Just wait to the end of the lift, though. Come on, you're gonna have a whole minute and a half dedicated to this thing. Oh, but you look great, don't you, handsome? Yeah, he does. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. I know I did. Anyways, it's the last set, number 3. We got cable D-bar curls. And like always, we lean it back, getting that stretch. Going real slow. I'm feeling quite jacked today, actually. Feeling big. I'm back to 131. Before my show, I was around 140, and I had to cut for it. I dropped down to like 124 was my show weight, but then I kept dropping. I could not put that weight back on. For some reason, I was just falling. I got down to, my lowest was 120 flat, but now we up to 131.7. So we're getting back, should be getting our strength back, which means the weight should be going up soon. Hello, we're doing preacher curls now. I don't know how much weight this is, but someone left this here. We're just gonna use this unless we need more weight. If we need less weight, then we're just gonna man up and use this anyways. But yeah, here we go. This is my last set of a workout. Then gonna flex, pose for y'all. Let's get this bread. Let's get this motion. La, la, again. All right, let me lock in. I'm sorry. I was locked in on giving on. Flexing time.
This life not the same without you. This life not the same without you. I'm thinking about what we had back then, baby.
I used to hold you in my arms so tight.
Been staring at my walls, just thinking lately.
I try to let you go, but you still drive me crazy. Got me thinking like, what about us? What about what we had? I've been lost, I've been going outside. I've been fucking hella hoes, but none of them you for real. I've been fucking hella hoes, but none of them you for real.
I thought money's what I wanted, but I just wanna hold you still. I thought money's what I wanted, but I just wanna hold you still. Hold you still. Hold you still. Hold you still.
Alrighty, I just wanted to say thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, press the like button. If you didn't, also still press the like button, just because. Leave a comment about how your day is going. And subscribe, because I'm Jake Geesey. And that's a good enough reason if you ask me. Anyways, I love you all. I hope you have a blessed day. Blessed weekend. Sunday's tomorrow. You know, Sunday's a great day. Can't beat it. Anyways, I love you all. Like, comment, subscribe.